Hello, student. Welcome back again in online studies. As you all know, we have completed our lesson number 3 of EVS subject. So, now we will move towards lesson number 4, which is on textbook page number 20. Lesson number 4, directions and map. So, from this, you will come to know the idea about the lesson that we are going to learn directions and maps. Okay, so try this. Stand in two equal rows in the classroom facing each other. Now tell the girl or the boy standing in front of you the answers to the following question. It is an activity taken by the teacher in the classroom. The teacher have made the two rows of boys and girls and she is telling them to stand in a row with facing in front of each other. So, what are the questions she is asking to them that we will see. First one. On which side of you is the blackboard? So you know that we all are at home, so you can stand by facing to the your entrance door and you can just mark out at which side your television is there, at which direction, at which hand side, and at which side your entrance door is, where is your kitchen, or at which direction your living room, which direction is your bedroom is there at your house. Likewise questions we can just calculate to know about the direction, because we are not in school, we all are at house. So in the house only, at home only, we will learn about the directions. Okay, on which side of you is the main door of the classroom? On which side of you is the teacher's table? So now we all are at home, so the direction may be different of each other because everyone's houses are different at different directions. So your answer may vary into it. Your answer and the answers of the girl or boy in front of you are different, aren't they? Why is it so? If the blackboard is to your right, it will be to the left of the girl or boy standing in front of you, isn't it? Yes, if the blackboard is behind you, it will be in front of you, of the girl or boy facing you. In the same way, your answers about the main door and the teacher's table will also be different from those of the girl, boy facing you. It is difficult to make out the location of an object based on answers like on the right, on the left, in front of, and behind. Therefore, in order to tell exactly where an object is located, we use directions. So, the question may arise in your mind, why do we need direction? So, the answer is in order to tell exactly where an object is located, we use directions. So, on page number 21 we will see on page number 21. If you observe the pictures given on page number 20 and page number 21. On page number 20 picture, direction are not shown in the classroom, but on page number 21 directions are shown. Now we will use directions to find the answers to the same questions with your teacher's help. Write the names of the 4 main directions on the walls of your classroom. Now stand facing each other again. Tell each other the direction in which the blackboard, main door, teacher's table are located. Now your answers and the answer of the girl or boy facing you will be the same. Directions can be used to tell exactly where an object is located. So now let us learn how to find the directions. Already in the picture, the student, one boy is there facing towards the rising sun. And the direction are also written over there downside of it. So you will come to know that. Okay. The 4 main directions are east, west, north and south. How do we find them? The direction in which the sun rises is the east. So the first direction we got, that is the sun rises, that direction is east. Sun rises in the east. The direction in which the sun sets is the west. The second direction is where the sun sets is the west direction. East and west are opposite to each other. If we stand facing east, the west is behind us. At that time, the north is to our left and the south is to our right. Try this activity in the open at sunrise. It will help you to understand directions better. So, in the morning, whenever you got the time, that time just face towards the sun, face towards the rising sun and see the setting of the sun also. You will come to know about the direction, that is east and west. That east and west are the opposite to each other. If you are facing toward the sun, at your left side it will be north and your right side will be south direction. So these 4 directions are the main directions that we will see. Do this activity of facing towards the sun and understand the directions that you also do at your home, and try to understand the directions. Read out the lesson, write all the hard words of it, learn all the hard words, then only you will come to know about the lessons properly. Okay, whatever is remaining, that we will continue in the next lecture, and you will get the notes also on your WhatsApp group. Till then, be safe.